Today I'm going to show you how to tie a yoga strap. First thing you need to know is that this is called the D-ring buckle. This is called the tail. So you need to make sure it's not twisted and it's all nice and straight. Then you take the D-ring buckle, separate the buckles, take the tail, and then pass the tail through the two D-rings and pull that through. Keep the D-rings open and then take the tail and pass it back over the first D-ring and then through this second one. Thread that through so it's neat. Then pull it tight. Okay, so now you need to determine the length of the loop you need, so just you can adjust it. So just slide it through. We're just going to make a loop for a small loop for the foot. Make it a little bit smaller, and then you just check if it's holding and locked into position. It's nice and locked, and you're done.